Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Tuesday that the number of job openings decreased from 7.9 million in August to 7.4 million in September. U.S. government sold 7-year notes at 4.215%, 2 basis points lower than WI level at the time of the auction. 10-year Treasury yield briefly topped 4.339% on Tuesday. U.S. stocks mixed on Tuesday. The tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 0.78% to a fresh record, while Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.36%. Chipmaker AMD chair and CEO Lisa Su said during the earnings call, quote, "Third quarter revenue increased 18% year-over-year to a record $6.8 billion. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the number of job openings decreased from 7.9 million in August to 7.4 million in September, while the number of hires increased from 5.4 million in August to 5.6 million in September. The number of the quits fell from 3.2 million in August to 3.1 million in September. The number of the job openings peaked at 12.2 million in March 2022, then it fell to 7.4 million in September 2024, close to the pre-pandemic level. The job openings to unemployment ratio also peaked at 2.03 in March 2022, then it decreased to 1.09 in August 2024, slightly below the pre-pandemic level. U.S. government sold $44 billion of 7-year notes at 4.215%, 2 basis points lower than WI level at the time of the auction, 4.235%. The auction sounds successful. 10-year Treasury yield moved up as the initial jobless claims dropped significantly in the week ending October 19th, and S&P Global Flash US Composite PMI rose to 54.3 in October. Then it rises again as new orders for non-defense capital goods, excluding aircraft, rose 0.5% in September on a monthly basis. The yield fell as oil prices dropped about 6% on Monday, but it rebounded and topped 4.339% Tuesday. However, SPLS reported the number of job openings decreased to 7.4 million in September. The yield started to fall after the successful 7-year notes auction at 1 p.m. Tuesday. 10-year Treasury yield finally declines. U.S. stocks mixed on Tuesday. S&P 500 rose 0.16%. But the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.36%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 0.78% to a fresh record. Shares of advanced micro devices dropped 7.6% Tuesday in extended trading after its earnings call. The company reported $6.82 billion of revenue, up 18% from a year ago, above expectations of $6.71 billion. Adjusted EPS was 92 cents for the previous quarter, up 31% on a yearly basis, in line with expectations. When it comes to the guidance, The company expected it to be $7.5 billion for the current quarter. That makes investors disappointed. AMD Chair and CEO Lisa Su said during the earnings call, quote, third quarter revenue increased 18% year-over-year to a record $6.8 billion. As significant higher data center and client processor sales more than offset declines in gaming and embedded product sales. Data center segment revenue increased 122% to a record $3.5 billion. We believe we gained server CPU share in the quarter as enterprise wins accelerated. Turning to our client segment, revenue was $1.9 billion, an increase of 29% year-over-year, driven by strong demand for our latest generation Zen 5 notebook and desktop processors. Turning to our gaming segment, revenue declined 69% year-over-year to $462 million. Semi-custom sales declined as Microsoft and Sony reduced channel inventory. Turning to our embedded segment, third quarter revenue decreased 25% year-over-year to $927 million. Embedded demand continues recovering gradually, led by strengthening test and emulation, offset by ongoing softness in the industrial market. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.